That's the tutorial of Microsoft Excel from basic. It means from zero. How to use Microsoft Excel program or application. Microsoft Excel is a worksheet having a variety of functions, and the software is distributed by Microsoft Corporation, and the software is often said as Microsoft Excel or only Excel. So here we go, how to use or to operate Microsoft Excel from zero. That's the basic tutorial. And on this occasion I use Microsoft Excel of 2019. Okay, that's my Microsoft Excel version from 2019, and I will learn and I will explain about what is column, row, and etc. And this is the first display or first appearance. If you open firstly the Microsoft Excel, there are many templates. You can also click more templates. Okay, more templates, it means that you can use or see uh, more templates from Microsoft Excel. So there's blank workbook, and this is a workbook, and then pivot table, and that's template. Oh, these are the templates from Microsoft Excel. Okay, that's from Microsoft Excel, but I will use the plain workbook to do this tutorial. Okay, that's used generally. Okay, um I will start from anything. Okay, on Microsoft Excel there's tab. Okay, it's a tab menu. You can see file, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, developer, help, and etc. And this is called tab. Okay, it's tab menu, and every tab has menu. For example, I want to click insert or home, and this is a ribbon. Okay, ribbon. So ribbon is a group of menu. It's about font, manager, general, and conditional formatting, format table, and etc. And in Microsoft Excel, this is called a ribbon, the submenu from the tab menu, and also it's ribbon from insert. Oh, that's the group of sections, tables, add-ins, phone. This is from home tab menu, alignment, number, styles, cells, and editing. And this is I want to say again, this is called ribbon on Microsoft Excel because you need to know about it because it's very important. If I explain about the ribbon, because there's a ribbon customizations on Microsoft Excel. Okay, that's on Microsoft Excel. Next, it's about column. Column is from vertically. It is vertical box or vertical cells from top to down. And if you slide until the end of the column, so the column will be double, like as a double name, like AA after that is AA, AB, AC, and etc. So there are many columns on Microsoft Excel. And after this, if you select from left to right, it is called rows. The rows is used on Microsoft Excel. Okay, there is column and also rows. Okay, so column will be alphabet or letter, but rows will be number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's rows. Okay, not ABC, because ABC is often used as column. And you can also click the cell. Okay, here A1. Okay, that's called cells on Microsoft Excel. Okay, this is called cell A1. A1. So you can see on your screen A1. This is called send. If you click here, name boxes C2. This is called cell on Microsoft Excel. Cell is everywhere you want to click the box on Microsoft Excel. Okay. Oh, this is range. Okay. This is called range if you plug some cells, and range consists of some cells. So you need to plug here the cells from A1 until C3. This is called range. Okay, range from A1 until C3. And after we know about range here, so you need to know about we will explain about seeds. Okay, this is called seed. This is a sheet one worksheet. A sheet from a Excel is called seed, and you can click plus button, so you will create a new sheet, or it's called sheet 2. And also this is sheet 1 and this sheet 2. And also you can also do the right click, and for example you will do rename on this sheet. For example, I want to type old sheet as the sheet 1, and also from the right bottom corner you can see the zoom menu. You can zoom in or zoom out, so the display will be suitable with your visual capacity. And I think that you can start from the data here. Okay, I want to type about the data about fruit stocks. Okay, it's about fruit stock name, for example. That's a name of fruit, and then stock, and price. Okay, if the column is if the name will be wider, that will be cut. Okay, do not panic. Don't be panic, because you can also make wider column here. Just click on line from the column that you want to do wider column, and you can make it larger or smaller. Just drag right or to left or left to right to make a suitable column. Yes, that's how to make a wider column or smaller column. This is called to change the size of column. And also you can do the change of size from rows. Just press up or press down, and then you will make it bigger from rows. Okay, I want to type apple, orange. If you click in a cell, so the cell will be active. If you click if you do double click on the cell, so the pointer will be appeared. It means that you have an access to change the cells. Yeah, about the content of cells. You can do deleting or typing or editing and etc. To the on the cell that you to the double click. Okay, I think enough. That's the first step or first lesson about Microsoft Excel from the basic. If you like about this content, just press the subscribe button or like and share and comment, and hopefully we can see you in the next video. Bye bye.